Artificial intelligence isn't the future anymore, it's the present. And one of the biggest opportunities right now is building your own AI tools and services that people are ready to pay for. Build and Monetize GPTs gives you a practical, step-by-step system for doing exactly that, from idea to launch to profit. This ebook doesn't rely on hype or buzzwords. It focuses on real methods that help you understand how to design, create, package, and sell your own GPT-powered products and services. Whether you're new to AI or already familiar with tools like ChatGPT, this guide shows you how to turn innovation into income. Inside, you'll learn how to identify problems and market needs that AI tools can solve, because the most successful GPTs are not just cool technology, they're useful products that deliver real value. You'll discover how to structure your GPT so it's easy to use, clear in its purpose, and effective in helping its users. The ebook also explains how to package your GPT in a way clients understand and want to buy. You'll get guidance on positioning, naming, pricing models, and subscription strategies that help you monetize your work instead of giving it away for free. One of the hardest parts of any digital product is launch and delivery. This guide breaks down how to launch effectively so you get early traction, how to onboard customers smoothly, and how to support growth as you scale. You'll also find sections on pricing strategies that make sense for your market, how to structure automation and support systems so you don't get overwhelmed, and how to build recurring income streams rather than one-time sales. Whether you want to offer GPTs directly to businesses, sell access to end users, or integrate them into a larger service offering, this ebook gives you the tools and frameworks to build something that works, not just something trendy. If you're ready to turn AI into a real revenue path and join the new wave of creators and entrepreneurs, Build